Learn how to leverage Claude to document system analysis effectively. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create comprehensive documentation that enhances team collaboration.
Welcome to our channel. Did you know that using Claude for your system analysis documentation can boost your team's productivity by up to 30%? Today, we'll dive into the world of Claude, a powerful tool designed to streamline how you document system analysis. Stick with us as we explore Claude's capabilities, set it up for optimal use, and discover how it can transform your documentation process. Let's get started. Claude is more than just a documentation tool. It's an AI-powered assistant that enhances your system analysis process. With Claude, you can automate repetitive tasks, streamline data collection, and generate insights that would take hours manually. Imagine having a tool that not only organizes your data but also provides actionable insights, making your analysis more effective. Claude's natural language processing capabilities allow it to understand and categorize complex information, simplifying your documentation tasks. Whether you're a team of one or many, integrating Claude can lead to more efficient, error-free documentation processes. Getting started with Claude is straightforward. First, download the software from the official website and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, open Claude and begin by customizing your settings to fit your workflow. Claude's intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze, but if you encounter any issues, the built-in help guide is a great resource. Configure Claude to automatically sync with your existing documentation tools, ensuring a seamless integration and saving you time. Remember, the key to a successful setup is understanding your specific documentation needs and adjusting Claude's settings accordingly. Claude offers a suite of features designed specifically for documentation. One of the standout features is its customizable templates, which allow you to create standardized documentation quickly. With automated data entry, Claude pulls information directly from your systems, reducing manual input errors. Collaboration is seamless with real-time editing capabilities, enabling team members to contribute simultaneously. Security is paramount, and Claude ensures your data is protected with top-tier encryption. Plus, its integration capabilities mean you can easily connect Claude with other tools your team uses, creating a unified documentation ecosystem.
A well-structured documentation template is essential for consistency and clarity. With Claude, creating these templates is straightforward. Start by identifying the key elements that your documentation needs to cover. Then, use Claude's template editor to lay out sections such as objectives, processes, and outcomes. By using templates, your team can maintain a uniform style across all documents, making them easier to read and understand. Claude also offers pre-built templates for various industries, which you can customize to fit your specific requirements. Effective documentation is consistent documentation, and Claude's templates are the perfect tool to achieve this. Integrating Claude with your existing documentation tools can dramatically enhance your workflow efficiency. Claude supports integration with popular tools such as Slack, Jira, and Confluence, allowing seamless data flow between platforms. To integrate, navigate to the Settings menu and select the Integration tab. From there, you can connect Claude to your preferred tools using API keys or direct authentication. This integration ensures that all your documentation stays up to date across platforms, reducing the risk of outdated information. If you encounter any issues, Claude's support team is always available to assist with troubleshooting any integration challenges. Keeping your documentation up to date is crucial for effective communication. With Claude, you can automate many update processes, ensuring your documentation reflects the latest changes in your system. Schedule regular reviews where team members can verify and update information as needed. Assign specific documentation tasks to team members to ensure accountability. Utilize Claude's version control features to track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Finally, encourage cross-departmental collaboration to ensure all relevant insights and updates are included. These practices will help you maintain documentation that is both accurate and comprehensive. Even with the best tools, challenges in documentation can arise. Common pitfalls include incomplete entries, inconsistent formats, and outdated information. Claude offers solutions such as automated reminders for updates and standardized templates to maintain consistency. Use these features to address documentation gaps effectively. Additionally, proactively strategize by setting clear documentation goals and allocating responsibilities among team members. Regular training sessions on Claude's features can also equip your team with the skills needed to overcome these challenges. By staying vigilant and utilizing Claude's capabilities, you can keep documentation issues at bay. Let's look at some real-world examples of how Claude has transformed documentation practices. In one case, a tech company reduced documentation errors by 40% after implementing Claude's automated features. Another organization improved cross-departmental collaboration by using Claude's integration capabilities, leading to a 20% increase in project completion rates. These examples highlight the tangible benefits of using Claude for system analysis documentation. The key takeaway is that with the right tools and practices, you can significantly enhance your documentation processes. Apply these lessons to your own systems, and witness the transformative impact Claude can have.
As we've seen today, Claude offers a comprehensive solution for system analysis documentation, enhancing team collaboration and efficiency. We encourage you to implement Claude in your processes and experience the benefits firsthand. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with Claude, so please comment below and share this video with your colleagues. Your feedback helps us improve our content and bring you more valuable insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore advanced features of Claude. Thanks for watching.